What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into a VPN that's been making some serious noise lately for being one of the most generous freemium options out there, iTop VPN. Now, iTop Inc. actually started back in 2016 focusing on PC optimization tools, so they aren't new to the software game, but they've pivoted hard into the privacy space with over 10 million users worldwide. Let's talk money first, because this is where it gets interesting. They have a free tier which limits you to 300 megabytes per day, but if you want the VIP experience, the pricing is a bit of a roller coaster. What you're seeing in the screen is just a sale price, by the way, which is over now, but always watch out on their website as they always provide sales from time to time. For the regular pricing, if you go month to month, it's $11.99 USD, which is pretty standard, but not exactly a good deal. The real magic happens when you commit. 6-month lock-in will reduce the base price to almost half at $6.99, while 1-year commitment will even reduce it 1/3 of the original price at $3.99 USD. Just a heads up though, keep an eye on those renewal rates. I've not experienced this yet, obviously, but some users say that they can jump back up to a higher standard price after that initial discounted period ends. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee on most plans, and I've also read from some reviews that their refund process can be a bit slower than the big names like ExpressVPN, so just make sure you're actually into it before the window closes.
Downloading and installing iTop VPN is honestly a breeze. You just head to the iTop VPN website at itopvpn.com, hit download, and the installer does the rest. On Windows, it's super lightweight. The whole goal of this app is one-click simplicity. They aren't trying to be the most technical VPN for hackerman types. Instead, they want to be the one you just turn on and forget about. Whether you're trying to stay safe on public Wi-Fi or just want to browse without your ISP snooping on every site you visit, that's the core mission here. One thing to note though, there's a lot of unnecessary pop-ups here that only confuses the user on the status and progress of the installation. Is it finished? Is it installing more items? Also, in the supposed to be agreement page of the app's regulatory stuffs, which I just clicked agree and did not read, it was actually not an agreement for the app, but an agreement to install another iTop application which is Easy Desktop, which I don't need and have to spend time on installing. Classy applications do not do these things. I mean, I already downloaded and installing your app. That means I am already sold, and you still won't stop selling me the things. Or at the minimum, can you at least wait until I finish the installation? These unnecessary pop-ups and unwanted apps are the things that can easily turn off users or make a legit app look like a malware or something. I'm mentioning this so that if you are trying this app, you'll be aware and ready. I'm sure iTop will be improving this. They're a great software company, which is why this is my second collaboration with them. The first one was the iTop screen recorder about 2 years ago. The thing I love the most in iTop VPN setup, you don't even need to create an account or link a credit card to start using the free version. You just open it and hit connect. But as iTop is giving me a limited pro access to the app, I will be signing up anyway, which you'll need to do as well if you are purchasing the pro version. After signing up, that's it. You're good to go and use it. Now that it's installed, let's take a look at the dashboard. As you can see, iTop VPN has a very Windows 11 native feel. It's dark, sleek, and doesn't feel cluttered. On the left side, you've got your main navigation menu where everything is categorized by what you actually want to do online. If you're just starting out on the free version, you'll notice these little free tags on specific servers. Unlike other VPNs that hide their free servers in a giant list, iTop puts them front and center. You usually get access to about 10 to 15 free locations, including the US and UK, which is pretty generous for a $0 entry point. One thing I really appreciate on iTop VPN's UI is the organization. If you click on For Streaming, it's not just a list of countries, it's actually a list of platforms. You'll see dedicated buttons for Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and even specialized ones for different regions. It takes the guesswork out of finding a server that actually works with your subscription. Right at the bottom of the sidebar, you've got your quick access tools and the Privacy and Security tab, which we'll dive into in a second. Finally, notice the Smart Location feature right under the main button. If you don't care about the where and just want the fast, this is what you hit. It automatically pings their 3,200+ servers to find the one with the lowest latency for your specific Windows 11 setup.
Alright, let me now show you exactly how I set this up for maximum speed and security. First thing you'll notice is how well it fits the Windows 11 aesthetic. It's clean and doesn't lag your system tray. Before hitting connect, I always head over to the quick access sidebars, where you can see a bunch of actions that users usually do.
You can click Watch Netflix here, for example, if you want an optimized connection for Netflix. The same with HBO Max, Disney, or when using ChatGPT, playing Roblox, and more. If you're a gamer, you want to click the For Gaming tab. Check this out. They have optimized servers for COD, Roblox, PUBG, and even Minecraft. By selecting these, the app tries to find the route with the lowest latency. Now, for the privacy nerds like me, look at the Privacy and Security menu. This is where iTop stands out on Windows. I highly recommend toggling on the Security Reinforce tool. It actually scans your Windows 11 settings to see if your OS has any vulnerabilities that might leak your data even outside of the VPN connection. And here is my favorite set and forget feature, the ads block. Just toggle this switch and it starts filtering out those intrusive trackers and banners while you're browsing Edge or Chrome. It saves a ton of bandwidth. Finally, let's do the main event. Back to the home screen. Click that big Connect button. Notice how fast it handshakes with the server? In about 3 seconds, my IP is masked and I'm ready to go.
So, what's the final take? Who is this for? If you're a student on a budget or a casual user who just wants a free, easy-to-use VPN for daily browsing, iTop is a top-tier choice. The daily data refresh on the free plan is much better than most competitors who give you one tiny monthly allowance. Who should pass? If you're a privacy purist, you might have some hang-offs. iTop is based in Hong Kong, and they haven't done a public third-party audit of their no-logs policy yet. I'm sure they will do very soon. Maybe they already did when you were watching this. Also, if you're a heavy Android user, just be aware. The Windows and iOS apps are great, but the Android version is often a bit stripped back and lacks features like the kill switch or protocol switching, but I'm sure it will catch soon enough. Alternatives? If you want more speed and a verified audit, NordVPN is the gold standard, but will definitely cost way more. If you want the closest in terms of budget with unlimited devices, you can check out Surfshark. But my personal take? I think iTop VPN is a hidden gem for Windows users. The extra tools like Security Reinforce and the specialized streaming servers make it punch way above its weight class for the price, and why I will highly recommend it. All right, that's it for my review of iTop VPN. If you want to try it out for yourself without spending a single cent, I've put the download link in the description below. Seriously, grab the free version, see how the speeds feel on your network, and if you like it, that long-term VIP deal is a steal.
If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. No Bayer.